Hi friends, today we are installing our Maddog Alpha on a Scrambler 400X. Before starting our installation, we have to consider where we have to keep our fog lamps position and switch position. So first install our fog lamps and switch on our bike, because after that we can consider the wiring procedure where we have to take the ends of the fog lamps and connection from the wiring and the switch connection from the wiring. So see, Maddog have given 3 mounts for the switch. This is for think handle mount, mirror mount, so you can mount like this, same as I have already installed to the mirror. See, you can observe just small L clamp access they have given for the mirror mount, so we can easily mount on this. So tied with the rubber strap of the factory housing. So these are clamps for our alphas. So before mounting, please remove this shrink wrap. So because for our weather conditions, it may expose to the rust as early as possible. So we have already completed our installation of Maddog switch. This was section 1 and section 2 coming to the fog lamps. So install all the screws to the required holes like loose fitment, but later on after fixing to the bike we can adjust according to our light projection and according to our fitment easiness. So before these alphas we have used HGSG fog lamps. So for that fixing they have given Allen keys for individual lights, but Maddog haven't given any Allen key for this fitment of the screws. So I have brought black plus decker Allen keys set. So these are the required Allen keys for our total bike, any screws for the fitment. So I was using this for my fixing of my alphas. Fog lamps installation is done. So while fixing these fog lamps, distance between the fork and the fog lamps minimum should be like this, a finger gap should be there. So make a clearance of finger gap. We make our bike completely naked. So while removing tank, they have 4 connection total. These are overflow connections from the tank, and under these 2, one electrical connection for the injector and the petrol supply of the from the injector. So now we take our wiring and carefully routing beside the chassis frame of the bike. So later after routing I will show again. ఇటు నుంచి తీసుకుంటాం. Next we'll goes to the right fog lamp connection. So we are routing around this right chassis. Okay. Switch the English all tight వచ్చింది. So these are the terminal for the battery relay. I'm going like this forward. From down onwards we have taken all the wires. One wire going back from this down to the right fog lamp. And packed with the factory wiring. This is the right fog lamp connection, and coming to the left side, these are the connections for the left side. There is two wires coming for one switch, and second one was for the fog lamp connection. So there is a factory strap for binding all the wires. So I have removed the screw and kept all the wires inside from the factory fitting. So this one for the fog lamp connection. I'm going to the switch. So what the issue was, the switch wire was the very short in connection, short in length. So all done. So this is the power connection. We have to connect to the any, what we can say, ignition switch. So I will take power source from the OBD port. So previously we have connected a power source from the tail light. So now I have thinking about that, we have connecting this OBD port, right? It seems we have OBD port. So we will draw the power source from the OBD port for these our Maddog lights. So this will connect to the OBD port, and this end we will slice it and there are 6 connections in this. So one connection will have the 12 volt supply. So from this connection where I have sliced it down, we have take that 12 volt supply and it will be connected to the auxiliary power supply. So it will be available in Amazon, like you can see OBD2 cable for Honda BS6 light seams. So I have purchased it for 800 from Amazon, so you can go and check it. There are several qualities of also available at 350, 500, but I have ordered it for 800 for somewhat good quality. So go and check it from Amazon. Thank you. So I was connecting this OBD port. Previously I have mentioned this was bought from the Amazon for 800 bucks. So we have connecting this. This has 6 terminals. So one was the 12 volts power supply. All the rest all were dummy. So I have taken this power source and left it idle. So like this 6 pins were connected like 10 times like this. So okay, battery power is okay, fog lamps connection is okay, switch connection is okay. Now left was power source. We have to connect a wire from this end to this OBDN. So now we'll connect a wire to this missing length. So I have attached a lug to the wire. I think this one was 1 square wire. Okay. So I have seen comment to power source we have taken from the OBD port. So this wire is coming from the extension of the switch. So this was the OBD scanner. So we have joined it here. So finally all packing done, tank got into the place, coming to lights. So alignment was also done, so you can see the glow of the switch. So complete installation was done. At evening after 7 o'clock we'll take a review of the lighting. See you then. Meet you in the next vlog of this review of the Alpha. Bye bye.